esteemed guests, the painting and unveiling of the portraits of the governors of our islands has a long tradition, as indicated by the director of our cabinet. The tradition started with the governors of the Netherlands Antilles, was continued in Aruba after 1986, and in Korsou after 2010. Today, we continue that practice and start our own St. Maarten tradition with this unveiling ceremony. Art, be it music, dance, poetry, literature, sculpture, or painting, has always played an important role in documenting and/or telling the story of people. Art, as such, helps to preserve our collective memory. It is therefore my hope that this practice will become part of the artistic culture and tradition of St. Maarten as we continue to work to build our nation.